I'm so happy. Just wake up in the morning. Maybe I'm gonna call the ladders. Okay, I'm done. Now I'm downstairs. So where's my pet? Hamzy. Are you right here? Nope, she's not right there. Make sure you need to talk. Beep. Nope. Hamzy. Hamzy, where are you? Hamzy, you've been hiding. I know. You are when you wake up in the morning, you always hide. Hamzy, I'm so tired. I always wake up in the morning. Hamzy, is that you? Bee! Hamzy, you are hiding right there. Beep, 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 beep. You want some snacks? Beep, beep. Okay, you just go there upstairs. I'm gonna use you some snacks. Beep, beep. Okay, get some snacks for Hamzy. Let me get this candy over here. Okay, let me get this. Hamzy, here's some sweets for you. It's candy. Hamzy, are you sleeping again? You silly little elephant. Wake up. Wake up now. Baby. Yum, 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 yum. You like it, huh? Yeah. Okay. I was gonna take a bath, okay? Baby. I'm done. So I just gotta clean her now. So this is all our video. Bye. I gonna level 2 tomorrow. And level 3 we are gonna be done.